Welcome back everyone, it is finally happening, it is the launch day, and we are...
Okay, but I have a question. What are you talking about?
Seriously, it is completely obvious from the video's title. You ruined my intro like this.
Okay, but what's that?
Do you have a potato in your head? I'm talking about the software that I was working on that lets you control multiple 3D printers from one place.
Yeah, but what's that?
Anyway, never mind about that idiot. And before we get started, this software is completely free, and I don't mean free with an asterisk. You are not being tracked. There's no dragon thing behind or something like... No, nothing. So, this is the product. You're not the product. I just wanted to get this out of the way. And with that being said, welcome aboard. In the description down below, you will find links to download the Windows and Linux versions. Grab the one you need and let's go. For Windows, it is very straightforward. Just run this thing and it will be installed automatically. And just like that, it's working. And for long as it's an app, just run it and it will work.
What about Mac users? I have a Mac.
Okay, you again. I couldn't make a build for a macOS app because I've never even used one ever.
It is your problem? Fix it?
No, it's not. Just take a look at this. You have to do a lot of steps to get around this if you don't have a macOS or in the Mac and others. I have a Linux Apple developer account. I don't care. I really don't care. So, just Windows and Linux. When you first install the app, here's what you'll see. Now, technically, you don't have to go through this screen. You can just skip it and dive right in. But if you are curious, it's got some info about the app and its license, the features, and some instructions. You can take a look at it anytime. Alright, here we have two main panels. All printers, where each printer can be controlled individually, and groups for managing multiple printers at once. Now, to show you how the app is working, we have to add a printer. Just hit this button and add your printer's IP or URL, and we are good to go. Now, I'll add more than one so I can show you how the app is working. First, you can rearrange these printer cards at any time. Now to the specifics of the printer card. First, you can see the status of the printer, the name you give to the printer, the progress of your print job, the model's name, home all command. These buttons are for controlling the movements along the X, Y, and Z axes. These are for filament control, and these ones for emergency stop, power off, restart. And this is the console that you can type your own commands and send them. Here you can upload and print directly, or upload and print later, or explore files that have been already uploaded. This option will redirect you to the printer page, and this is the settings of this specific card. Here you have filtering according to the printer status. And now we can move to printer groups. To add a printer group, it's the same process, just press this button. These options are for filtering later. Here we have the name, the description, and we then can select the printers that will be inside this group. You can select printers in two ways, either via the list or this dialog box. And here for demonstration purposes, I've selected all of them. This is the average progress of all printers in this group. Here we have load filament, unload filament, hold all commands, power off, and my favorite, upload and print directly. And now inside the group, you can do exactly the same things that you can do in the all printers panel. And the only difference, it will just remain inside the group. And now I believe I've covered most of the key points. The app is designed to be very simple, and I hope you find it both helpful and easy to use. Now I want to say something about...
You can just say why you're taking a permission.
Okay, sorry. Well, the app passed the basic tests I ran. I couldn't benchmark it properly to see how many printers it can handle at the same time. If you end up testing that, please share the results with me, and if you run into any issues or bugs, just take it easy, alright?
No worries, man. I'll test it for you.
You have a Mac, you didn't get to talk. And by the way, guys, I tested the software with a few 3D printer brands, and it works with some and not with others, like Bambu Lab printers, which did not work. So far, the app's worked for me, and I really hope it works for you too. Would that be fantastic?
I'd like to extend my thanks to Techno for supporting this project.
A question, please.
Why are you the one who's talking? Where's the other guy?
I'm here.
Well, you asked the question.
Well, will there be a next version?
For now, if any issues arise in this version, I'll fix them. However, creating a new version depends on several factors, as I am currently working on other projects, I guess.
You released this version for free. Does that mean that your plan is to make a paid version if people like it?
Why you read
Yes.
my mind? Is it that unequivocal? While I don't deny that I'd like to make money even while sleeping, I didn't see the need to make this version paid if it solves a problem for someone that is rewarding enough.
I see.
Of course, in the future, if I develop a much more complex program, it would likely be paid, but this version is free and I hope it helps. I'm not honey, if you know what I mean.
Oh, blush.
I'm referring to this honey extension scandal. So yeah, that's the app. Go give it a shot if you are interested. Don't forget to subscribe, because we've got tons of cool projects and interesting videos and topics coming up. There's a lot going on here. And until next time, peace out.
Yeah, peace out.